Employment rates have further improved. More than 4,450,000 people have jobs in Hungary, meaning that the unemployment rate has dropped to 4.1%. 7 years ago, Hungarian unemployment rates were well above 10%. Data from the third quarter this year shows that the number of paid community service jobs has dropped, and more people are finding jobs at Hungarian companies.
The walls of an apartment building in Nyíregyháza are already being pushed up by builders. According to the company manager, thanks to the different tax cuts as well as the Family Home Creation Program, or CSOK, there is an increased demand for newly built homes. This is exactly why the company has hired 10 new professionals, which will need to be doubled due to their needs. When examining different sectors, it's the building industry which has seen the largest increase in the number of employees. Thanks to this, more and more people have a job in the country, most of them being in the private sector. The number of people working in this sector has grown by more than 500,000 since 2010. This means that during the 3-month period from the beginning of July till the end of September, the number of people employed in this sector has passed 4,500,000. which is 60,000 more than what it was last year. This means that the employment rate is getting close to 70%. These are the highest figures since the regime change of 1989. And it seems that the number of those who are unemployed has steadily dropped to under 200,000, which means that the unemployment rate is barely more than 4%. Never have such low figures been measured by the Central Statistical Office, which also happens to be one of the best in the European Union. But it's not just one or two sectors where employment rates have rocketed. Cuts of tax and contributions really help businesses keep up their momentum, said Mihály Varga, the Minister of National Economy. According to analysts, in the upcoming months, as seasonal jobs will come to a finish, the increase in employment will slow down, but unemployment will continue to decrease, and by the end of the year, it could even drop below 4%, which means that Hungary is coming closer to achieving full employment.